Document upload cancelled on PrizePicks, how to fix. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can solve if your document upload process has been cancelled. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you're having issues with your documents while you're uploading on PrizePicks, because maybe you're trying to verify your account and so on, but your document is not getting uploaded. Well, according to PrizePicks themselves, what are some of the reasons why you're not being able to submit your ID? The first thing is that it must be a valid government ID. So if it's not a government issued photo ID, you'll be notified with one of the following status reports. The first is that if your account you maybe uploaded and verification is successful, you will receive a notification that says verification is successful. If you have to resubmit your ID, and the most common reason for this is a blurry picture, improper lighting, or an invalid ID like a library card or debit card. So you want to make sure that is not the case. So make sure you take the picture of your ID in a quite brighter area and there are no reflections or glares, right? Now if you are denied, you will unfortunately not be able to play on PrizePicks, because PrizePicks reserves the right to deny verification to anyone at its sole discretion. For security reasons, they will not be able to provide specific information to individuals regarding why they were denied. But of course, what you can do is you can try to just follow the steps properly, make sure it's not blurry, make sure the pictures are clear from top to bottom, left to right, and that should definitely help you solve your document upload process. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.